Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a round edges of a photo in Canva. So round edges is a type of modern design that's usually used in a website or some mobile app, and it is the kind of design that gives a sense of friendliness and safety. And that's why it's very popular. Basically, you probably have seen a lot of photos on the internet, and they do have rounded corner. So I have this photo, and you can see this photo in particular has sharp edges. Actually, there are a lot of photos here, and all of them have a normal sharp edges. So if you want to make them rounder to make it smooth, first thing that you need to do is you have to click on the photo. You can also select multiple photos, like by clicking by pressing and holding the shift key on the keyboard, and then you can click on every single photo that you want to add the round corners. So after that, you will see there's a top menu right here. You want to click on the rounding, and you want to increase the number. You can slide it to the right to increase the roundness of the photo. I think I'm going to set it to 35, and there you go. You can actually get it to 100, but it's not going to make the image to be circle. It's just the maximum level allowed for any given object in Canva. If you want to make it fully circle, then you have to use a circle frame. You can go to the elements and search for circle frame, and you'll find a lot of options here. You can see they're actually exactly circle, so that if you want to get something more circular, then you have to select that option. But in any case, that's exactly how you can create a round corner image in Canva.